Hi, my name's Chris from English Key. This video is called PTE Speaking in 3 minutes. I'm going to tell you all of the speaking question types and give you some hints and tips on how to improve your speaking score, because many people find it difficult to get the PTE score they need in the speaking section. We're here at English Key Melbourne. We're a study centre. You can improve your PTE score here or online. Let's do some practice here. Read aloud is the first question type. You're required to look at a text and read it aloud. I've got some practice here for you. Let's go. The number of students who attended yesterday's lecture was significantly lower than the day before. In this question type, you're required to speak quite fluently. Make sure you focus on your pronunciation, because that's going to be scored highly in this section. The next question type is repeat sentence. Now this one's testing your memory and actually is quite difficult. You may get 10 or 12 of these questions in the exam, so make sure you are prepared for this question type. Listen to the sentence and just repeat it. Exam results will be available from 9 a.m. Did you get it? Exam results will be available from 9 a.m. This one can be really hard because it's testing your memory. So for older people, this can be quite a tricky section of the exam. The third question type is describe image. Describe image, you're simply required to look at a picture and talk about it fluently for up to 40 seconds. We usually recommend about 35 seconds is a good time to focus on. So it can be any type of image. Usually it's a bar chart or a graph or a line chart or a pie chart. So make sure you prepare mostly for those. However, occasionally it can be a picture. So this is an example of a picture. Now for most people who are using Facebook today, you will know that that's Mark Zuckerberg. So you'd be expected to talk about Facebook, social media, the impact of social media and Facebook, all within 40 seconds. Talk about the advantages and the disadvantages. Make sure it's succinct and precise and concise. That's the tip. Fluency. Make sure that you speak as much as possible within those 35 seconds. The fourth question type is Retell lecture. In Retell lecture, we can't do it in today's video, but you're required to listen to an audio, make some notes and summarise it in 40 seconds. It's as simple as that. Make sure you have lots and lots of key words in your speech. The final question type is answer short question. In this question type, you just listen to a question and you answer it. How many sides does a triangle have? The answer? 3. So that's my 3 minutes. I hope you found this useful. Keep practicing. Make sure that you study with a professional and qualified teacher who is able to help you through the PTE exam. It really helps to focus on fluency in the speaking section. Wishing you all the best. Good luck with your exam and take care.